Hello, foodies, especially the working ladies who have to cook after coming back from their jobs. I will make your day free from time-consuming house chores. Today I will let you know the best tips to prepare your meal in a short time. Plan ahead. Take some time at the weekends and plan your meals and snacks for the whole week and write down on your notebooks. Keep it in mind that you have to choose recipes that are quick and easy to prepare. Grocery shopping. For the food being fresh according to your week meals, you have to make a list of your required ingredients, including vegetables, fruits, or whatever needed, and shop all on Saturdays. Prepare ingredients. Prepare your ingredients like wash, chop, and portion out fruits and vegetables so that they're ready to grab for snacks or to use in recipes. Batch cooking. Prepare large batches of staple ingredients such as grains, proteins, and vegetables that can be used in multiple meals throughout the week. You may also prepare your cooked masala for the whole week on Sundays, as it has to be used in all the meals preparation, and then it will be ready to add in any vegetable or meat meal. Freeze the cooked masala in portions. Add in your masala, cook for 10 minutes till it melts, and then add your desired ingredient, like any meat or any vegetable, and keep it on low flame. It will be cooked on its own without consuming your time. Meanwhile, you can change and fresh up yourself. You can also prepare and freeze individual portions of soups, stews, or casseroles for quick and easy lunches or dinners. Convenience. You may also use canned beans and buy pre-cut veggies. Storage containers. Buy a variety of storage containers in different sizes to portion out meals and snacks for easy grab-and-go convenience. Keep it simple. Focus on recipes that require minimal ingredients and preparation time to make meal prep as easy and efficient as possible. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know in the comments which hack you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching.